Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew here, and today I wanted to do like a review of a product that I got off of eBay for about 30 bucks, and it's this thing right here. It's the iMuto Taurus X4 portable battery charger. Actually, I already have like another portable battery charger, but it doesn't hold as much as this thing does, which is 20,000 milliamps. I got this from my I got this little thing from my local Big Lots store for about $5. It's an iEssentials, excuse me, portable battery charger, and it only holds up to like 1600 milliamps of power, which is not quite a lot. So what I did is I researched better portable battery chargers, and this is one of the things that I've managed to find. It was even featured on EasyVid's top 10 list of portable battery chargers, or at least there's actually more than one top 10 list videos. So let's take a look at the packaging for a bit. As you can see, like I said, it has up to 20,000 milliamps of power, which I imagine is quite a lot of battery power, and there's like little power indicators to tell you how much power that they've both got left in them. If you want to take a look at this for yourself, you can pause at any time. And let's see the charge times of various phones and tablets. iPhone 7, 6.5 times. iPad mini, 2.5 times. Samsung Galaxy S8, 4.3 times. LG G6, 3.9 times. Now, actually, there are different packaging variations of this product. Like, for example, I think an iPad Air takes about as much charging time as like 1.7 times, and so on. The back of the box here is just like the specific details in various languages, including the original English. Alright, so what's going to happen is that I'm going to open this thing up and take a look at what's inside, and once I do that, I'll be right back, so stand by. Okay, so I've opened everything up, the box, and let's take a look and see what we've got here. First, we've got this like a little promotional offer card here. One of the things that tells you right off the bat is thank you for purchasing from iMuto. And here are their contact information, their email address, and their website. And inside the card here, it says the following: Dear valuable customer, thank you for purchasing from iMuto. We provide practical and easy to use products, as well as 24 hours consumer service per day, and sincerely hope that you are satisfied with our products and service. If not, please do contact us before leaving neutral and negative feedback. Our support team would be more than happy to help you. We would also like to invite you to post a product review on Amazon. It would not only encourage us and help us improve our products, but also let others benefit from our experience. Your experience. We appreciate your time and support. Look forward to coming again. Yours sincerely, the iMuto team. And these are just like instructions on how to leave a product review on Amazon, which I'm not going to get into. Next, we have the instruction manual, and it tells you how to use it in multiple languages. And remember when I said that the charge times for various smartphones and tablets differ on the different packaging? This proves it right here. iPhone 6, 8.1 times, iPad Air 1.7 times. I've got the Air 2, just so you know, but that's besides the point. Galaxy S6, 5.7 times. Galaxy Note 4, 4.8 times. And above are the specifications of the charger. Right here is the micro USB input port, which you use to charge up the battery. You've got 2 USB output ports to charge up your smartphones or tablets, whatever they may be. I've got my iPad Air 2, my Samsung Galaxy J3 Luna Pro to charge up. And what's kind of cool is that this thing also has like an LED flashlight right here, which is pretty nice to have. Right here is the smart digital display, letting you know how much battery power there is left inside this thing, and the power button, which turns the unit on. I'll show you like a little bit more in a second. Just a bunch of other instructions. Sorry. On what comes in the box. We've got like a carrying pouch there as well, and the micro USB charging cable included for this battery. And finally, we come down to the battery itself, and it's a little bit heavy, to say the least. Not as heavy as you expect it to be, but just a little bit heavy. But still enough to make you carry it well. Some details on the back, how much battery power it's got, 20,000 milliamps, which hopefully will be very impressive. And yeah. Okay, so I think what you need to do in order to turn this on is the battery right here has like a little power on and off switch. If you press it once, I think it shows you like the indicator of how much power it's got left. So let's try it out. 97%, wow. Now keep in mind, I think I got this used from the person I got it off of eBay from, which is about 30 bucks, and that's not a bad price. So again, to see the battery indicator, you just press the power button once, and it's currently at 97%, which is almost fully charged. You see like the 2 USB out ports to charge up your phones or tablets, and a little LED flashlight there. I think somewhere right there is the micro USB input charge input, where you power up your battery. Now to turn on the LED flashlight, I think you have to press and hold the power button at least once. So let's try it out. There you go. I see you. Doesn't appear to be a bad flashlight. Works really good. And to turn it off, I think you have to press and hold it down again. Let's see. There you go. So I think that's enough showing off of what its capabilities are. So what I'm going to do is that I don't know if you can see that well, but my iPad Air 2 is at 55% battery power while it's charging. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to disconnect my iPad from its charging port right here, and disconnect the USB charger from my power plug there, and I'm going to put it inside one of these USB output ports to use it to charge it up with my battery. So, and I'm gonna time it for like say about 30 minutes and see how it goes. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll hopefully check in back with you soon. So stay tuned. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes since I tried to charge up my iPad Air 2 with the Taurus X4 here. Um, Last time I charged it about half an hour ago, it was at 97% power. Since I used this thing to charge my iPad, it's now at 91% power, which is not too much power used up in a half an hour. Fortunately, it seems that it only charged it up by, it only charged it up by like 2 to 3% here. It's at 58%. It was like last time it was 55 or 56%. I think what the issue here is that, according to both the box here, more specifically the manual, is that I think the more times you could charge a certain tablet or device, depending on what the brand is or whatever, the more times you can charge it in a single go, the less time it takes to be charged up with the battery. But the less amount of times you can charge it in a single go, the longer it takes for that phone or tablet to charge. Sorry if it's sorry if the picture's not coming in quite clearly. There we go. So if it was like an iPhone 6 that I was charging, it would take about 8.17 times to charge, which I believe it would take a less amount of time for the charge that you need. That it'll charge up very quickly. But the less amount of times it takes to charge up a phone or a tablet in a single go, like iPad Air or Air 2, 1.7 times, the longer it takes for that phone or tablet to charge. And I know it's only been about like 30 minutes, and you would have expected to be charged in a decent amount of time, but yeah, that's not much in 30 minutes. But I want to see if I can try again. This time I'm on a timer for about 1 hour and see what happens. So I'm going to try doing that. Stupid notifications. I want to try doing that, and I want to see what happens. So stay tuned, and we'll see how much it's charged up by. So it's about 2:15 in the afternoon right now. I timed the second charge for about 1 hour. Last time the battery charger was at 91. This time it's down to 84%. And it didn't charge up like as much as I hoped it would. Again, it went from 58 to 61% only. So what I said might have been correct. Like again, and the more times you could charge up like a certain phone or tablet, like say an iPhone 6, like 8.1 times, the less time it takes to charge. And the shorter amount of time it takes to charge like an iPad Air, which is 1.7 times, it takes like longer to charge itself. So I'm going to stop with my iPad Air with charging it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to try the battery out on my Samsung Galaxy J3 Lunar Pro. Its battery power is at 71% right now, so I'm going to charge it up with this instead and see what happens. I'm going to time it with my stopwatch and see how long it takes to get up to 100% battery power. So stay tuned. Okay, so it's been about 1 hour and 2 minutes since I timed to see how long it would take for my phone to charge from 70-something% all the way back up to 100% battery power. Last time I measured how much battery power this thing was in, it was at 84%. Now it's down to 77, which took about 7% battery power, I believe. to charge this back to 100 in this certain amount of time. So I think for certain Android phones, like my J3 Luna Pro, it takes like a much shorter amount of time for it to charge, and it didn't use up too much battery power here. So as you can see, it's still good. So I think I pretty much showed off how well it charges my tablet and my phone here. So I'm going to end it right here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and let me know what your thoughts are about this battery charger in the comments below. And tell me if you would prefer to use this one over other portable battery chargers, or if you have another favorite that you'd like to use. Just let me know in the comments below. So that's gotta be it. Take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I'll see you all next time. Adios.